recipe.
Ah!
Oh, he's gonna cut himself. Oh my gosh.
Go away.
Don't want
Hi.
to.
Go cook.
Move.
Oh.
Oh, look at them chicken. I only got 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa. I can't count. Sorry.
We give Miss Cunningham one.
Michael Ian. I'm like tossing around your camera.
At least you haven't left it outside laying on a bench.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, where is my camera? Okay.
Look at that dress. It's like seriously sexy right there.
It's sexy, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna show this to
on
MySpace.
MySpace or anything else. It better not be on there.
Hey, put it on MySpace, okay? Yeah. Blog them. Stuff like that.
Blackmail.
Joey! Jimmy! Say hi with your dress. Say hi. This is going on MySpace so bad. Say hi, Joey!
I saw it killing.
I'm like flipping it around all over the place. Okay, I'm stopping.